Okay, now we're going to talk about split testing. What is split testing for? When you're talking about campaigns, when you're talking about autoresponders. Split testing basically is when you want to see which email version is going to work better and is going to convert the most for your subscribers. The autoresponder is going to do all that process automatically. So we're going to do it right away. We're going to create a new campaign. So we're going to call it split version 1, and I'm going to include the corresponding lists. I'm going to choose this list, and I'm going to click this box, apply A/B split testing. And this is the techie part. We can set up the 20% or the 30% as a testing for the split testing process. We recommend to do this process with lists above 1,000 subscribers. So in this example, I'm going to choose the 20%, which means if I have a list of 1,000 subscribers, this testing is going to be sent to 200 subscribers. Now we're going to choose the test duration. So this specific sending that we're going to do, we recommend to do it at least 2 hours testing. And the winner is going to be open rate or unique click. That's up to you. In this example, I'm going to select open rate. Those who opened my email, correct? Now, we are going to create campaign and edit campaign email. You know this process already, so I'm going to keep this way, and I'm going to next. So let's suppose this is going to be the first testing broadcast or campaign that I'm going to do this process. Let's suppose this is an offer of my product or service, and I want to know which version is going to convert the most. So this is going to be the first version, correct? So I'm going to next again, and there we go again. So this is the first testing email, correct? So I can create a new one from scratch, the way you know already, or I can simply go and duplicate it, because at the end of the day, it is going to be almost the same content. I just need to do some modifications in order to try to capture subscribers' attention. So I'm going to duplicate it. It is duplicated already, and I'm going to edit it. So I'm going to improve this part with the name and the email address. This is the regular process. And then I'm going to save and next. And this is the original broadcast or campaign. So I need to do this second testing a little bit different in order to try to call subscribers' attention to click it or to open it. So I'm going to add something like get it 30% off to see if this is going to convert the most or not. This is only for testing purposes, okay? And also you will see what else can you add to the content as well. So I'm going to keep it this way, and I'm going to save it next. I can send a preview to the email the way you know already, but I'm going to save it next. Okay, now I have the two testings. This is the first, and this is the second. If you want to include another testing broadcast, you can do it. Another testing campaign. You can duplicate it, or you can create it from scratch. The thing is, regardless of how many testings you're going to create, the 20% of the list, remember, in this example, let's suppose this list has 1,000 subscribers. And from those, the 20% are going to receive these testings, which means 200 subscribers. In this example, I'm only going to send 2 testings, this one and this one, which means the autoresponder is going to send the first campaign to 100 subscribers, and the second testing is going to be sent to the remaining 100 subscribers. If I use, for example, 3 testings, correct, instead of 2, it needs to do the operation. It's going to take 200 subscribers of the testing divided in 3 testing campaigns. It's like 65 subscribers per testing. So it is going to give that information as well. Again, this is up to you, and this is up to your marketing strategy. So anyways, the test duration is going to be for the time we're going to give to the system to determine who is the winner. But in summary, either 2 testings or 3 testings or 4 testings campaign, the autoresponder is going to send it immediately and is going to split it depending of the number of testings versus the portion of the testing. I'm going to repeat again in this example. It is going to send immediately to those 200 subscribers these 2 testings at the same time. But the first testing is going to be sent to 100 subscribers, and the other testing is going to be sent to the remaining 100 subscribers, and so on. So the testing is going to be sent immediately. 2 hours later, at least 2 hours later, you can increase this up to 10 hours. This is up to you. So in this example, 2 hours later, the autoresponder is going to know exactly which one converted the most. In this example, from those which one had the highest open rate. Let's suppose the one that had the highest open rate was the second, correct? So this is the winner because it has the highest open rate, which means the remaining 80% of the list, which means 800 subscribers are going to receive the winner campaign. The autoresponder is going to do all this process automatically. When you have this configured, you need to go by saving, you need to click and save, and then you need to go to schedule and proceed and go ahead and send your corresponding campaign.